Blessings world, with the equinox, with the spring equinox, there started to sing a bird on the pine tree in the front of my window. And I live in a city, and the pine is really a blessing, the pine tree. And this bird starts to sing his or her song around 5:30 a.m. And this bird was singing really loud. And I woke up and I was like, hey, this bird really wants me to wake up. I really trust and believe in messages from nature. So when the bird really was waking me up even more, like big time, I decided to listen to the message of the bird and wake up with the bird and sing with the bird and sing for this world and sing for healing in these times that we have now. COVID-19, global fear, this kind of crisis and everything, and so many people are afraid. And my good friend Susanna Grau told me, record this, how you sing, and send it to the world. And I think she's right, because when I do it, I just have a feeling that it's really important for us not to give up on dreaming the world together, on dreaming the world we want, not just the financial establishment, the shadow agenda, the chaos agenda. They dream this world too, but what about us? Do we dream our world? So let's dream this world. Let's dream this world of peace and harmony and balance and health and life in balance of darkness and light. So this is my intention now for my singing in the morning. It's after sunrise, because I couldn't get up today at 5. I was sleeping. I woke up 6:30. And I woke up to the winter that we didn't have in Poland. We didn't have winter this winter time. It's March, end of March, and we have like full winter. And in Native American tradition, I read in one book that snow means that the dreams of people in the form of snowflakes are falling down on the earth, so the earth can read the dreams and help them to realize. So I think it's a good time to sing out for a collective dream of healing, peace and balance between the light and the dark. And I'm going to sing the morning song, Wendeyaho. Wendeyaho, Wendeyaho, Wendeya, ho, 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 hey ya ho, ya, ya, ya. Wendeya ho, Wendeya ho, Wendeya, Wendeya, ho, 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 hey ya ho, ya, ya, ya. Wendeya ho, Wendeya ho, Wendeya, Wendeya, ho, 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 hey ya ho, ya, ya, ya. Collective dream.